Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. Uh, the disclaimer for this podcast, the presentation is that whatever stocks we discuss in this podcast are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. Let's look into Nifty's daily chart. Uh, Here, yesterday's candle is not updated in this chart, but it is updated on the website. Uh, if you see, recently Nifty has been under selling pressure. It has fallen nearly 1,000 points from all-time highs, and it has breached its 50 and 200, 50 and 100 EMA. However, in the yesterday's session, Nifty closed above its 100 DMA, which is below 18,000 level, and it closed at the 18,100 level. On the absolute price action front, we were looking at 1.5% gain for the market status to be changed to confirm the trend. Yesterday it was a slight miss. Uh, However, we'll be looking into today's and coming action as well. If there is any constructive action on the Nifty and other broader market indices, definitely we'll consider that as an FTD and will move the market status to confirm the uptrend, and we'll be start adding stocks to model portfolio as soon as FTD happens on the index. Currently, Nifty has reclaimed its 100 EMA in the yesterday's session, and it closed at 18,100 level. So it is still trading below its 21 and 50 DMAs. We want the index to trade above its key moving averages. That indicates long-term bullishness in the index. However, if the index trades below these levels, definitely it is not a good sign for the longs. For the news section, I'll discuss about TCS results in the next slide specifically. Other stocks which are in the news is one of the steel and product producer, JSW Steel. For the quarter ending December, the combined crude steel production increased nearly 17% year-on-year basis to 6.24 million tons. This is for the last December quarter. uh, Unlisted company, that is Zerodha, which is a leading stock broking firm in India, known for its smooth user interface and lower brokerage, which was started by the company Zerodha. They were able to generate a revenue of nearly 5,000 crores, which is an increase of 82% year-on-year basis. On the profit front, profit also increased on the similar lines, 87% to 2,094 crores, which is a very profitable business. If you see revenue to profit, almost more than 40% they are making out of the revenue, which is a very positive side. Uh, Coming to a major macroeconomic news, that is Japan's Tokyo's inflation came in at 4%. And this is the first time occurrence since 1982, nearly 40 years. This is the first time occurrence of 4% inflation rate in Tokyo. This indicates there is no stop for the rising prices or across the globe, starting from US, Europe, Asian countries are also taking that beat, and because of this higher inflation, central are also coming in and increasing interest rates. But the interest rates go on increasing, definitely growth will get hampered because of higher cost of funds for both individuals and as well as for corporates. In the yesterday's session, FIIs, foreign institutional investors have sold more than 200 crores of equities, whereas the domestic institutional investors have bought more than 700 crores of equities. So definitely, domestic investors helped the index close higher in the yesterday's session. Coming to the TCS results, major leading IT company in India, which attracts major revenue across Europe and Americas, has reported their December quarter results. If you look at on the top view, revenue came in above street estimates, which increased 13.5% year-on-year basis to 58,000 crores in constant currency terms. whereas profit missed consensus estimates, whereas profit grew nearly 11% to 10,800 crores. Some of the key pointers to look at in the results are its total contract value for the quarter came in at $7.8 billion, which is in line with the company's expectation. The company has also announced a dividend of 75 rupees per share, which includes 67 rupees as a special dividend. During the quarter, the company has seen a decrease in the number of employees. Nearly 2,200 employees were net to net basis. 2,200 employees were actually resigned or came out of the company. Whereas coming to the growth part again, North America, which is a major revenue generator, has increased, has grown at 15%. Europe has also grown at similar rate. Overall, major analysts were expecting a slowdown in these areas because of recession fears and not so much spending by the companies towards the IT spending. But the TCS has shown otherwise. They are able to grow at more than 15% both in Europe and North America, a positive side. If you look at the stock wise, if you stock technically it is a beaten down stock now. It has been under selling pressure for after hitting 4,000 levels. The stock has come down to 1,300 level. It has also breached its key moving averages. Not a positive side. We would want the stock to reclaim its 200 DMA, and then we can expect some further upside. But we would also want the stock to consolidate from here to before there is a breakout. Until then, we'll be staying sidelines for this particular stock. Also, there is a lot of overhead supply in the stock. You can see the stock has come down more than 20% from its all-time highs. So definitely, these levels will act as a overhead supply. 3,400, 3,500, 3,800 levels will definitely act as a overhead supply for the stock going forward. Talking about global markets, there are no strong cues on the either side. Dow Jones S&P closed on the negative basis, whereas Nasdaq closed 0.6% higher. Asian markets are also trading mixed. Shanghai trading 0.3% lower, whereas Kospi and Nikkei are trading 0.4 and 0.9% higher as we speak. So definitely there are no strong cues on either side. SGX Nifty is also indicating a similar opening. There are no strong opening on the either side. Yesterday Nifty closed at 80,100 level. So at 20 points here and there is not a major opening. It is mostly a muted opening on the index. Also, today is today being a Tuesday, it's a financial services expiry. Of late, Tuesdays have also become volatile because of the introduction of this expiry on Tuesdays. So please be watchful if you have any positions on the market. Definitely, especially if you have any financial related stocks in your portfolio, they'll come under radar and they'll be under volatile during the trading session. Thanks for joining today's people. Have a good trading session.